This is a test stand we built for transmission rebuilds to check overdrive, oil pressure, syncros, and overall performance of the transmission once the rebuild is complete before we would install it in a car or give it back to a customer as a bench service. This is a early Austin Healey 100. It's a BN1 transmission, which is technically a 3-speed, but in actuality it's actually a 4-speed with the lower first gear blanked out. We've got it set up to deliver about 2,500 RPM on startup. First gear, second gear, third gear. Allows us to kind of play out how the syncros are working. We've got a switch. That's it. We've got good overdrive pressure. You should watch the needle down. See what our recovery rate is, how quick that comes up with the overdrive engagement. And then we run it for 15-20 minutes and do that a couple different times to make sure that everything stays safe. Automotive Artistry, transmission, overdrive rebuild specialist.